Hi, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all of you, pupils of 5 Pinta. We are here again and we will learn English. Our learning objectives for today, by the end of the lesson, you should be able to 1. Choose the correct affirmative verbs in 15 sentences. 2. Identify at least 2 verbs that end with is and sounds correctly. And 3. Choose the best answers for 10 questions. Our topic today is present simple affirmative. We use the present simple when we talk about facts and routines. Fact. This is an example of fact. The earth orbits around the sun. In this sentence, orbits is the verb and this verb is in present simple. Next, routine. This is an example of routine. Our siblings sleep at 10 p.m. In this sentence, sleep is the verb and this verb is in present simple. Okay, what is the boy doing? He is eating. The verb is eat. Okay, I will show you 3 sentences that have subject, verb and object. Okay, 3 simple sentences that have subject, verb and object using the verb eat. Okay, the first one we have he, she, it. These are subject, pelaku, orang yang buat. And then the verb is eat. In this sentence, okay, I will use a lot as the object. Okay, he, she and it, these are called singular subject. Okay, why singular? Because he kata ganti nama untuk lelaki seorang. Okay, she kata ganti nama untuk perempuan seorang. It kata ganti nama untuk satu benda ataupun seekor binatang. Okay, so if the subject is singular, we must add s at the end of the verb. Okay, kalau subject dia singular, he, she, it, at the end of the verb, we must add s. Okay, I will show you 3 examples of sentences. The first one is he. He eats a lot. She eats a lot. It eats a lot. Okay, notice here we have s at the end of the verb. Okay, the subject is he, she and it. Okay, some of you might ask, what is subject? Subject means pelaku, orang yang buat. The verb is eats, makan. Siapa yang makan? He. Siapa yang makan? She. Siapa yang makan? It. Okay. Subject, pelaku, orang yang buat. Verbs, the perbuatan. Okay, next example. Okay, I'm still using the same verb which is it, but I change the subject. Now we have they, mereka, we, kami, and I, saya. The verb is still it, and I will be using the same object which is a lot. Alright. They, we, and I, these are called plural subject. Okay, why plural subject? Sebab they, it means mereka. We know that mereka is ramai. Okay, ramai kan? Mereka lebih daripada seorang. So, this is plural, they, and then we, kami. Okay, kami pun sama lah, ramai. So, this is called plural subject. And then I means saya. Okay, saya ni seorang. But then, in English rule, they consider I as plural subject. You just need to remember this. Okay, you just need to memorize, hafal sahaja. Okay, so, I will show you 3 examples of sentences using they, we, and I. Okay, number 1, they. They eat a lot. Okay. Next, we. We eat a lot. And then I eat a lot. Mereka makan dengan banyak, kami makan dengan banyak, saya makan dengan banyak. Okay, if you notice at the verbs here, there are no s at the end of the word. Tak ada s macam tadi. Okay. So, you need to know these rules when you learn present simple. Rule number 1. we add s to most verbs. Kebanyakan verbs kita tambah s dekat hujungnya. For example, play, it will becomes plays. Eat, it will becomes eats. Speak, it will becomes speaks. Okay, that is rule number 1. Rule number 2, we add es when a verb ends with o, sh, ch, or x. Okay, bila verb tu, perbuatan tu berakhir dengan o, sh, ch ataupun x, kita akan tambah es. Kalau tadi tambah s kan, now we add es. For example, go. Okay, go, it ends with o, so it becomes goes. Next, wash. Okay, it ends with sh, it will becomes washes. Next, catch, it ends with ch, it will becomes catches. And the last one, fix, membetulkan, it ends with x, it will becomes fixes. Okay, ingat, rule number 1 tambah s, rule number 2 tambah es. What is rule number 3? Alright, rule number 3, we minus y, kita buang y and add ies when a verb ends with a consonant y. Okay, kalau verb tu berakhir dengan huruf y, contohnya study, kita akan buang y dan tambah ies. Okay, study, it will becomes studies. Cry, it will becomes cries. And carry, membawa, it will becomes carries. Okay, this is rule number 3. And the last one, rule number 4. Okay, rule number 4, the third person of have is has. Okay, in simple sentence, dalam bahasa yang mudah untuk difahami, kalau subjek dia they, we, I and you, we use have. If the subject is he, she, it, we use has. Okay, next, I would like to introduce a song to you. Okay, this song is very useful when you want to answer present simple questions. Alright, the song's title is They, We, I, and You. They, We, I, You. Okay, so it sounds like this. They, we, I, you. They, we, I, you. Got no S, got no S. He, she, it, got S. He, she, it, got S. It, got S. It, got S. Okay. Alright. I want you to try remember this song. Okay, cuba hafal sampai kamu boleh tulis lirik ni atas kertas because it will be very helpful to you. Okay, cuba hafal. Okay, next, let's try to answer this. Alif, study or studies at night. How to answer? Okay, the verb is study. Dia punya perbuatan study. The subject is, siapa yang study? Okay, Alif. Okay, Alif yang study. So, the subject is Alif. What is the pronoun for Alif? Apa kata ganti nama untuk Alif? The answer is he. Okay, if you refer to the song just now, they, we, are you, they, we, are you, got no S, got no S, he, she, it, got S. So, he got S. Kalau got S, jawapan dia mestilah studies. Alif studies at night. Okay, next example. Alif and his sister study or studies at night. Alright, so the verb is study or studies, and then siapa yang study? Alif and his sister. So the subject is Alif and his sister. What is the pronouns for Alif and his sister? Apa kata ganti nama untuk Alif and his sister? The answer is they, mereka. Ramai kan, lebih daripada seorang. So according to They, We, Are You song, they, we, are you, they, we, are you, got no S, got no S. Okay, jadi antara dua ni, which one got no S? The answer should be study. Alif and his sister study at night. Kalau yang ini studies because the subject is singular. This one study because the subject is plural. Okay, do you get it? Dapat tak? Faham tak? Alright, next example. Akil go or goes to school. Okay, now the verb is go or goes. The subject is Akil. What is the pronoun for Akil? Okay, Akil seorang lelaki. So, the pronoun is he. Okay, kata ganti nama untuk Akil adalah he. So, according to Dewi Ayu song, Dewi Ayu, got no S, he, she, it, got S. So, kalau he, she, it, got S. Okay, jadinya jawapan dia should be goes. Akil goes to school. Alright, next. Fauzia and her classmates go or goes to school. Alright. So, the verb is still go or goes. The subject, pelaku dia, orang yang buat adalah Fauzia and her classmates. What is the pronouns for Fauzia and her classmates? Apa kata ganti nama untuk Fauzia and her classmates? It should be they. Okay, jadi remember the Dewi Ayu song? Dewi Ayu, got no S. So, kalau yang tak ada S, go or goes? It should be go. Fauzia and her classmates go to school. Okay, I hope up to this point, you get the general idea. Okay, try to understand the song. It will help you. It will help you. Alright, let's do the written exercises. Okay, you open your module, page 8. Okay, kita dah nomborkan modul masa dalam kelas dulu. Okay, we start with exercise 1. Okay, exercise 1. Compare the sentences, then match A to D with spelling rules 1 to number 4. Awak kena padankan. Alright, let me help you with number 1. I study a lot. Her older daughter studies. Okay, ada Y, tak ada Y, ada IES. So, the answer should be here. Minus Y and add IES when a verb ends with a consonant Y. Okay, so you try to answer B, C, and D. You match. Right, next, exercise 2. Exercise 2 is this one. Alright, choose the correct verbs. Okay, pilih verbs yang betul. You can circle or you can underline. Okay, I will pick a sentence randomly to help you. Okay, I will help you with number 8. Look at number 8, everyone. My siblings love or loves to ride bikes. Adik-beradik saya suka menunggang basikal. So, the verb is love. Okay, suka. Siapa yang suka? My siblings. Jadi, my siblings is the subject. Apa kata ganti nama untuk my siblings? Kata ganti nama untuk my siblings. Adik-beradik saya. Okay. So, adik-beradik saya should be mereka. They. Right? So, kalau they, we are you got no S. My siblings love to ride bikes. Alright. Next, I will help you with number 15. Diana starts baking at 8 a.m. Okay, this is very simple. The verb is start or starts. Okay, pelakunya siapa? Okay, the subject is Diana. Diana is singular or plural? Seorang ke ramai? Seorang kan? So, Diana, kata ganti nama untuk Diana adalah she. Dewi Ayu, got no S, he, she, it, got S. So, she ada S, which is starts. Diana starts baking at 8 a.m. Okay. It is not that hard if you understand the concept. Okay. Tapi, maybe you need time. Mungkin awak perlukan masa untuk fahamkan. Okay. Dia tak sama macam singular noun and plural noun. Itu kata nama. This one is kata kerja. Okay, tengok lagu yang Miss ajar tadi. Dan cuba fahamkan. Okay? Okay. This is the song. If you need, maybe you need to copy. You need to jot down the lyrics somewhere. Ataupun cuba hafalkan. Lepas tu, you can simply write anytime. Bila-bila masa awak perlu jawab, awak boleh tulis. Okay. Next, exercise 3. This is exercise 3. we are still on the same page, module, page 8. Right, for this one, you have to listen to the audio files. And then you have to repeat after. Then you have to color the verb that end with an is sounds. Okay, faham ke tidak tu? Okay, kejap lagi kita akan dengarkan satu audio. Okay, dengar. And then try to repeat after, ulang, sama-sama sebut walaupun dekat rumah. And then you choose which verbs has the sound is at the end. Okay, yang mana disebut nanti ada bunyi is. Dia ada dua je. Sama ada berakhir dengan s ataupun berakhir dengan is. Okay, jadi perkataan yang berakhir dengan is, okay, you have to colour. Colour lah, use colour pencil. Janganlah lurik pakai pensel. Okay, biar cantik sikit biar kemas. Alright, let's listen.
Unit 2. Language Focus. Exercise 3. 1. Relaxes. 2. Goes. 3. Watches. 4. Eats. 5. Speaks. 6. Likes. 7. Starts. 8. Finishes. 9. Washes. 10. Studies.
Do you get the answer? Dengar tak tadi? Dapat tak jawapan? Alright, kalau tak dengar, you can listen to this audio file again. I will put in the WhatsApp group. Okay, but let me give you some discount. Okay, I will help you with
Unit 2. Language Focus.
Okay, the first answer is relaxes. Okay, this is the first answer. And then watches. And then finishes. Okay, there are 2 more answers. You find by yourself. Okay, saya cuma bantu 3 je. Ada 2 lagi jawapan. Jawab sendiri. Okay. Next, one more. Okay, one more is online quiz which will be regarded as PBD. Saya akan ambil markah ni untuk pentaksiran. Okay, this one is in the word wall game. Okay, I made it in a form of game. Okay, there are 10 questions. Okay, I will give you the link in the WhatsApp group. Okay, terpulanglah awak nak jawab ni dulu baru jawab jawapan dalam buku. Ataupun you answer the exercise in your module first and then you do this one. It's up to you. But then this one, the marks, I will keep it as your PBD. Okay, bila awak tekan link tu nanti, awak akan nampak macam gini. If you use phone, okay, you type in your name, masukkan nama, preferably nama penuh. Why nama penuh? Because we have 3 alif in our kelas. Ada 3 alif dalam kelas. Okay, jadi letak nama penuh. Alif Kamil ke, Alif Haziq ke, Alif Ryan ke. Okay. And then you click the start button. When you click the start button, you will be prompted to this page. Awak akan nampak yang ni nanti. Okay. And then you click start. After that, you will see the first question. Dah ada soalan kat sini. Okay, this is one of the questions. You choose, you click the correct answers and then you click next. Okay, nanti your marks, your name, you can see at the leaderboard. Okay, nanti awak nampaklah markah siapa yang paling tinggi, 10 markah tertinggi dalam kelas. And okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to complete the task. You have 3 days. Thursday, Saturday, Friday and Saturday. Okay, we will have our next class on Sunday. Ada 3 hari nak siapkan kerja ni semua. Okay. And we will meet again in next class, insyaAllah, which is on Sunday. That's all for today. Bye. Assalamualaikum.